Hey guys, Danny here with Danny Murphy and Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at a new project that we have. So this is a property that is in the Pacific Sands tract here in South Huntington Beach, real close to the beach. Great location, single story house, 4 bedrooms, about 1,600 square feet on a 6,400 square foot lot. Has a pool, we'll show you in a minute. But this is a property that's been in the family for a long time. And now we have the privilege and the opportunity to be brought in to bring this thing back to a beautiful glory, and then we're going to sell it here in a couple months. And so this is also in coordination with Justin DeCaro, JD Construction. So he'll be managing this project, and you're going to be shocked when you see how beautiful it is when we're all done. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a taste of what we're going to be doing here on the project. But you know, this is definitely back from the 60s. So like I said, you got 4 bedrooms. I mean, I love this tile. It's awesome. But big, big spaces here. Backyard has quite the interesting setup where we have lots of sliding doors into the house, which is nice. But you've got a pool that's kind of enclosed like a Florida setup. So we're going to change all that. We're going to bring this backyard back to life, so it's awesome for you and your family when you come buy this great house. We've got basically 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom over on this side. And then you've got the master bedroom over here, which is really fun. Kind of keeps a little separation, but just a really nice layout. It's got a cool vibe to it. You've got a good sized bedroom. The mannequin does not come with the property, just FYI, but big bathroom. And so, we're going to be here doing project stuff, like I said, for the next, probably 2 months or so. So look for this one to come on the market here in the next 2 or 3 months max. It's going to be a great house, great project. We always feel privileged to have the opportunity to help a family maximize the beauty of the home and maximize the value of it as well. So stay tuned for more on this property. We'll give you some updates as the project goes along. Thanks. Hey guys, Danny here with Danny Murphy and Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at one of our other projects in downtown Huntington Beach. So we love this area. Everybody loves this area. And so we're here on Park Street. This is a property that's been in the family for a very, very long time, many decades once again. And so we're coming in and just doing a refresh. This is a JD construction project as well. Really trying to just kind of put a new facelift on it, bring back the glory of this awesome modern contemporary type home. It looks like it got moved from Palm Springs and put right down in the middle here on Park Street in downtown Huntington. So I think when you see the finished product, you're going to love it, right? We're doing some flooring and paint and cleaning up some things in the house that needed cleaning up. So some really nice open spaces. We do have 5 bedrooms in this property. Again, it's about a 7,000 square foot lot on it's about a 2,200 square foot house. So really a nice sized house. You got the bedroom count that you could use for a family. And then we do have 2 bathrooms here. But one of the great things about this property too is the big lot. So you've got lots of room, in the front yard and the backyard. It's got great curb appeal. We're going to save that until later. But what's also nice is, they've done some really beautiful stuff with pavers and cleaning all this up. You've got the built-in barbecue, lots of big sliders and windows all throughout the house. You get lots of natural light. So really a fun house. This is such a highly coveted area in downtown Huntington, so we're excited to bring this to you and to help sort of keep on the tradition of the great family that owned this before and hand over the keys to a new family that's going to love this house for a long time into the future. So more to come on this. We'll show you updates as we go along. Thanks. Hey guys, Danny here with Danny Murphy and Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at one of our listings. This is actually a lease listing for the moment here at 16685 South Pacific Avenue in Sunset Beach. What you'll notice is this is a corner lot, so it's a south-facing corner lot. It's one of the biggest lots you can get in Sunset Beach, around 3,600 square feet. The setup here is actually a front house and a back unit as well, so great investment opportunity. Or if you want to have a little family compound, you can live in the front facing the ocean, or you can live in the back and rent the front out. You can do whatever combination you want to do. One of the things I love about this place, there's always parking, so people don't think they can park here, so it's like always open. It's summertime and a beautiful day. You also have, for the front unit, there's a 2-car attached garage, and then for the back unit, there's a single car detached garage that's separate from this one, as well as a carport off of South Pacific. You can even park on the apron here, so lots of parking options, which is great for the beach. So we're going to take you inside here in just a minute, so come along. Hey, so keeping going with the tour here, it's kind of nice on the side here. You've got this big patio area, so if you want to sit outside, do a little barbecue, hang out, and you can still see the ocean, nice and private here, which is cool. And as we head inside, this is actually not part of the 1,600 square feet for this property. It's an enclosed sunroom, and it's huge. It's over 300 square feet. As you can see, you've got beautiful ocean views. Unobstructed, looking to the south, looking out towards Catalina, and then looking north, you can actually see Long Beach. So just a really nice place where if you want to have this as an office, a playroom for kids, or a workout room. It's been used for a lot of different things. You got ceiling fans, so lots of options with this. And then as you come into the main part of the house here, you've got the bamboo wood floors. You've got a nice big high ceilings, vaulted ceilings in the living area here with a fireplace open to the kitchen, which is really nice. So lots of countertop space, cabinets. So it's had a really nice sort of, almost like a Nantucket feel, an East Coast ocean feel. So it's really a premier beach cottage. Love the fact that as you come down this way, you do have a gas stove, a nice big pantry. And then in here you've got washer dryer hookups, more storage, and then down this way is direct access to the 2-car garage. But let's head out this way because now it's fun to go see the beautiful ocean views. So come on this way, and then we'll show you the rest of the house afterwards, because we know that what you really want is to come see the ocean here. So just kind of imagine yourself every day opening this up and having that view, as well as the ocean breezes. And so you've got this big, huge front deck. Great place to hang out. Again, you can do barbecuing, enjoy, entertaining, and great ocean views. As you can see, it's a beautiful ocean day here. So we've got no waves today, but good blue ocean, Pacific Ocean. And then we've got views of Long Beach down that way, the LA Long Beach Harbor, which is really cool, but just a massive deck, where you can do a lot of entertaining, a lot of hanging out. So in a minute, we're going to show you the rest of the inside. So back inside, you've got a bedroom downstairs here with its own master suite. So it's kind of a dual master downstairs and upstairs. So you got a hallway bathroom for guests. And then in here, you've got, like I said, a downstairs master with its own private 3/4 bath. And then there's some really nice storage out back there, which is pretty cool. So we're going to head upstairs so you can check out this beautiful master bedroom. So as you make your way up this way, so upstairs, this is the bigger of the two master suites. So high ceilings, you got the ceiling fan, lots of natural light, as you can see. What I love about this location here is, you got a private balcony here overlooking the ocean. So really doesn't get much better than this. It's south facing, so you can see Catalina again, and then looking south towards Huntington and Newport Beach. So, love the fact that you've got this end, corner lot. You don't have any houses next to you, which is a really big bonus. Nice private master suite up here. Love how the bed, you just lay in bed and look out at the ocean. Have a really nice big dual sink ensuite bathroom. So in here you've got a tub over that way, a jetted tub, and then you've got the shower here. And then there's a ginormous walk-in area here for closet and all that, so that wraps around. So lots of room in here. I'm gonna head back because I know everyone wants to see the ocean, and probably not me. But great house, lots of potential. It's an investment property if you want it, where again you can rent the front, the back. You can live in the front if you want, and so lots of options, investment options with the property. Great location, huge lot. So reach out to us anytime for any details or questions. Thanks.